Let's learn how to convert PDF document into editable Word document in seconds. So for example, I have this PDF document W7, and if you want to convert this document, so I will close this document, and here W7, I will right click on the document, and then I'll go open with, and I'll go to the choose another app. Another window will pop up. So now it's asking me which app it should open with. So I will open this file with the Word app. So I will just select just once and it will start converting PDF into Word document. It will pop up this message, but I'll just press OK. So it is because small file, it won't take long time. It has converted already, but if this file is big and that has lots of complex formatting as well, so it might take a bit longer. So now I have done, I have converted my PDF into editable Word document. I can delete anything, I can type anything in this document. Now I can save this Word document. I will go to File, press save as, select the location. I will choose the same location and this I'll type word with the file name and press save. Now this file has been saved in my location. I can double check as well. I'll go to the this folder. You can see now the W7 Word, this file has been saved. Hit the like button and subscribe if this video is helpful.